These stairs have served as temporary construction stairs for the last maybe 15 years or so. Taking them out, they're no longer being used. Had the floors hand scraped and sealed over the weekend. Got the new finish on them. The new finish on the floors. Let's see here. Yeah, baby. Got a texture to it now. Stairs that I had fabricated by Baldwin Metals after trial and error, made several samples. This is what we're going to put in the inside the boat for permanent use. They're made out of a 316 stainless steel with textured steps for non-slip. I think these stairs weigh between 500 and 600 pounds. Hey, we're going right down there. Okay, it's installed. Got the new stairs in. Beauty, 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 beauty. Perfect. Now watch this. Pretty heavy, but it stands up out of the way, so I can access that closet right there.